Hey, first grade. Today we're going to be doing our phonics lesson on the long A sound with AI and AY. We're doing page 151 in our phonics book. So go ahead and get that paper out, and you can pause the video at any time, just in case I go too fast. Sometimes I'll have you pause it and finish the page and come back and check with me. Go ahead and write your name at the top. You'll be turning this into your teacher. So the letters A, AI, and AY can make the long A sound, such as apron, train, and hay. And what we learned through Pear Duck is that AI is usually seen in the middle of a word and AY at the end of the word. Directions. Read the words in the box. Here's our box. Listen for the long A sound. Write the word that names each picture. So our job is to write the word that names each picture. Here's our word box. Let's read these together. Tray, snail, pail, day. Good. Now we're going to match these words with these pictures. So if you want, pause right now, do your work, and then start it back up in a second and check your work with mine. This is a pail. So you're going to use the best handwriting you can and write the word pail. Cross the words off as you go. Well, I can see this one. I'm even skipping down here because I know that's a snail. And I'm going to go straight to that. I always like to do the ones I know first. That way, if I have any problems with other pictures, I can figure it out by what's left. So now it looks like I have some kind of platter and some trees. So let's look at our words that are left. We have tray and day. Makes that pretty simple, huh? I'm going to put day right here. And you got it. Tray is going to go right here. When you're done with that, you are going to write your own sentence using a word from the box. One sentence. There's 2 lines, which means your sentence can be longer than just I saw a snail. Okay? I'm going to get a little crazy and I'm going to use 2 words. But you can do any sentence you want. So if you want, pause the video, think of a sentence with one of these words, and then you can unpause and see what my sentence is. So my sentence, you want to try reading it on your own first? I put a snail in a pail. That's funny. All right, great job, first grade. I will see you next time.